going to start off with the top three things in Keith's macro notebook today, which are in this order: commodities, Australia, and the Eurozone. First thing, commodities. As we touched on in our Q2 macro themes deck, weaker dollar is positive for commodities. Since the Federal Reserve downwardly revised growth and inflation targets on March 18th, the dollar's down about 1.6% against the CRB index, which has been led by energy, which is about 7%. So certainly something to keep on your radar screen. We're seeing this relationship continue. Second thing is Australia. Australian dollar up about 1.3% this morning. This is on the back of the heels of a strong employment report. They added more than expected full-time jobs in March, 31.5 thousand. And the Feb growth rate was also revised upwards to 41.9 thousand from initial reading of 10.3 thousand. So pretty meaningful uptick there. As a result, Australian unemployment ticked down about 10 basis points, despite, I guess, the participation rate ticking up. And then the third thing in Keith's macro notebook this morning is the Eurozone, specifically related to Greece. Greece major index down about 5.5% on the week. We're going to get into this a little more, but the big challenge here is that there's been little or no progress with Greece's international creditors, and there's a couple of catalysts looming out there. But the big thing is Germany's finance minister effectively came out yesterday and said nobody expects a deal next week. The Eurogroup's meeting on April 24th, so certainly a big catalyst to keep on your screens there.